Do not be alarmed. Paul and Eutychus in Troas. In a lamplit upper room, Paul speaks urgently as Eutychus fights sleep on the open sill. A gust licks the flames. Paul's gaze catches the shift as Eutychus tilts back. Time stretches, eyelids drop, a ribbon flutters, and balance gives way. Gasps erupt. Stools scrape as the crowd surges for the stairway. The image freezes on the vacant sill, then a hard cut into heart-stopping silence. Lanterns bob as the crowd gathers around Eutychus's still form on the stones. Whispers spread he's gone while elders kneel, faces lined with shock. Paul descends the stairs, steady and resolute, robes catching lamplight. He kneels, gathers the youth into his arms. The crowd holds its breath. Do not be alarmed, for his life is in him, Paul says with quiet authority. A faint pulse stirs, color returns, lashes flutter into a steady breath. They guide Eutychus back upstairs, shaky steps, sure eyes, lamps burning lower. In the softened glow, bread is set on the table, faces gather close. Paul breaks bread with quiet gratitude. Hope settles over the room. The camera drifts over lifted faces and clasped hands as night thins toward blue. Eutychus shares an embarrassed grin. Paul meets his eyes and nods. Bread, cup, and lamplight hold as the verse appears, then a gentle fade.